Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Want to learn how to make eye-catching callout titles in Canva? Let's dive in. Click Create, then select Videos. Choose the landscape video for this tutorial. Next, open Elements and search for Video to check if there are any videos available in the library. Type Clients into the search bar. Let's try to invert this video. Search for another video in the search bar. Add elements to your project by selecting them from the menu and placing them where needed on the workspace. Click Go to Text, Add Text, and type the girl's name. Assign the text to Sarah and Liz, then change the font color to white. Go to Elements, search for Line, and select the line element to add it here. Connect this line here. You can change the line's anchor point here. Click Duplicate to create a copy. Here, click to add animation. That's this slide. Adjust the speed to make it slower. Here, we try adding the pop effect. Or simply use the baseline set to upward orientation for your design. Adjust the timing, then click Animate. Place the animation to the right, and we'll add it to the timeline. Adjust the line to match this exact position. Reduce the playback speed. Next, we will delay the appearance of the site name and the associated line. This matches the speed of the line appearing. Adjust the video length by trimming it to make it shorter. Then, click play to watch the video. You can also use this feature to enhance your workflow. You can hide elements here so they won't appear. Perform all tasks simultaneously to save time and ensure efficiency. That represents the duration. Click play to start the video. Let's try this process once more to ensure everything works correctly. Upload the picture, then download and save the video as an MP4 by clicking the download button. Now you know how to create callout titles in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy design tips.